Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Be a Polyglot. Today we're going to learn the names of common vegetables in English. Vegetables are an important part of any recipe because they add flavor, color, and nutrition. Let's go through them. Vegetables. Vegetables. We don't say vegetables. We say vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables are foods that usually come from plants, and we use them in all kinds of dishes. For example, we have onions, garlic, carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes. So let's say each word together. I'll say it first and then you repeat after me. Ready? Onion, onion. Repeat after me. Onion, garlic, garlic. Carrots, carrots. Repeat it after me. Carrots, potato, or we can say potato, potato, tomato, tomato, or also we can say tomato, tomato, cucumber, 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 broccoli. Say after me. Broccoli, broccoli. Eggplants, eggplant. Lettuce, lettuce. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Spinach, spinach. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Zucchini, zucchini. Peas, peas. Celery, celery. Green beans, green beans. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage.